Hello and welcome to a new tutorial from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin. And this is what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal or any journal where you can scribble. Then some pencil, colored pencils, a rubber, and of course your micron fine liner. That's all, so let's get started. So grab your pencil and start drawing an oval here, which is the center of your pumpkin, and around that oval you just draw a circle so you know where to stop drawing. So now I draw some more ovals, until I reach the edge, and then I fill up the top with the stalk and fill up the rest of the pumpkin. And then we already start drawing the leaves here, and I do that at the bottom to give the page two parts, from the top and the bottom. So, and you see how easy that is, so just draw them wherever you want here. And then once you are done with that, you grab your micron fine liner, because you need to go over the lines so you can get rid of whatever you don't need anymore and rub off the pencil. And then we start coloring the pumpkin with an orange from our colored pencils, and you see it's not much different than coloring like you do with your children. So just start coloring the pumpkin first with plain color, and then you start shading the edges a little bit and make them darker. Just press a little bit more on the colored pencil, and then you make these parts darker. Yeah, I think it looks good, but to make it look even better, I use a darker color now, a darker orange color, and draw over the edges. I try to keep the center of the pumpkin a little bit lighter, just as a light would shine on the pumpkin. So that's why. And then I start filling the stalk with the green and the leaves as well. Yeah, so that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. You can now confidently draw a pumpkin. It's so easy. So let's go ahead and start drawing. And if you liked it, please don't forget to leave a comment, maybe subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the little bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video, and a thumb up would be great. So, and then I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye!